Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be making slime. So you will need 1 tablespoon, then you'll need a half a tablespoon, then you'll need whatever type of glue you'll need. You'll need clear if you want to make my slime, and then you need glitter glue, color glue, or glow-in-the-dark glue. The reason why I do clear is because it just mixes better, because if you do white, it'll probably mess them up, so I don't want to do that. So first you're going to take whatever glue you want, like your color glue, or your sparkle glue, or your glow-in-the-dark glue. I'm going to do the sparkle first. So then you just have to get the lid off. And then you start to pour the whole bottle, well, as much as you can get out. Okay, so when you feel your glue is done, you're gonna set it to the side. So then you're going to need baking soda, and you will need 1 tablespoon of that. And then you'll have to get 1.5 tablespoons of eye contact solution. And then you're going to need a spoon. And then you just have to mix all of the ingredients together. And then you should have end up something that looks like this. Now you have to knead it. It'll start off very sticky and wet, but when you knead it, it will eventually turn into slime. This is how you make sticky slime, so if you don't want a sticky slime, I think you should add more baking soda. So then it's not as sticky. Bye.